All right, in this word problem, it reads that there are 150 calories in 3/4 of a cup serving of cereal. And we have to use this information to determine how many calories are there in 5 cups of cereal. All right, now if we knew how many calories were in 1 cup of cereal, we could just take that number and multiply by 5 because we're trying to determine how many calories in 5 cups of cereal. So what we're going to do is take this given rate here, 150 calories, to 3/4 of a cup of cereal, and we are going to convert this into a unit rate. Now, to convert any rate into a unit rate, you simply take the numerator and divide by the denominator. So we're going to take 150, and we're going to divide that by 3/4. So we have to take 150 and multiply that by the reciprocal of 3/4. Because when we divide fractions, we keep, change, and flip. All right, so that gives us a numerator of 600 and a denominator of 3, and 600 divided by 3 is equal to 200. So our unit rate is 200 calories per cup of cereal. So what we're going to do now is scale that up to 5 cups of cereal. And obviously, to get from 1 to 5, we would have to multiply by 5. So we have to increase the numerator by the same factor. So we take 200 and multiply by 5, and that gives us 1,000 calories, which is our answer. There are 1,000 calories in 5 cups of cereal. All right, let us go ahead and do another example. All right, this problem reads that Roxanne runs 3/4 of a mile in 12 minutes. Assuming she runs at a constant rate, what is her speed in miles per hour? All right, so the given rate in this problem is 3/4 of a mile ran in 12 minutes. And we have to use this rate to determine how fast is that in miles per hour, which is a unit rate. Now, to convert any rate into a unit rate, you simply take the numerator and divide by the denominator. But we have to be a little bit careful with this problem because the original rate is in miles per minute, and we have to express our unit rate in miles per hour. So what we have to do first is convert this 12 minutes into hours. So what we're going to do is just write 3/4 of a mile for our numerator. That's not going to change. And we know that there's 60 minutes in an hour, so we are going to write 12 minutes out of 60 and take this fraction and simplify it, which would be 1/5. So we would say that 12 minutes is equivalent to 1/5 of an hour. So we're going to take 3/4 of a mile and divide that by 1/5 of an hour, and that is going to give us how many miles that is for each individual hour. So we take our numerator here, 3/4, and we divide by 1/5 of an hour. And then we rewrite 3/4 because we have to keep, change, flip. So we're going to change division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of 1/5, which is 5/1. And then what we're going to do is just multiply straight across. 3 times 5 is 15, and 4 times 1 is 4. All right, now we take 15 and divide it by 4 to rename this as a mixed number, and that would end up giving us 3 3/4. And that is how many miles that Roxanne is running per hour. Hey, I just want to say thanks for checking out this math tutorial. Please don't forget to hit that subscription button and enable notifications so you can be informed as I upload new math tutorials to my math channel. Until next time, this is Shane Masonette with Masonette Math.